And he's closing it in again within the corner.
After 3 minutes, the top driver...
Still lots of time left. A little less than 2 minutes to go.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road RC Racing for the first race of the season. This is the VTA AMAIN in progress. My next race I'm going to be going up in is F1. I'm super excited to say that I've been TQ all day with this car. This is the Exotek F1 R5, and sorry, I'm not going to take the body off because I just put it on. It's all ready to go. It's all connected, ready to rock for my AMAIN. I'll be starting P1 in the A. I run CRC F1 track magnet tires. These are the tires that seem to work out the best for me. And the front sidewall is glued with a tire glue to strengthen up the front sidewall so that you don't have too much rollover issues. Other than that, it has some carpet work parts on it, which if you've been following this car as I've been racing it through the latter half of last year, or last season I should say, this has the carpet works wing on it and one or two other little carpet works parts, which has made it better. Even though this is Ozite gray carpet, a discontinued carpet you can't get anymore, it has less grip than your normal CRC black, but the way this car is set up right now, it is working great. My one concern is that the ball diff seems to be loosening off again. It's probably my thrust bearing washer, or my thrust bearings have blown out again, but it's too close to my main. I'm not going to have time to change it. We're just going to, fingers crossed, I'm going to be able to get through this main and not be stuck on the start grid spinning my tires and not being able to launch. We'll see how that goes. All right, here we go. F1 AMAIN starting in pole position. I got the TQ every run today. We'll see if my thrust bearing holds up and I can actually accelerate off the line. That is a bit of a concern. Do some laps here. I do think it's on its way out, but we'll...
What's on its way out?
My thrust bearings.
Oh no.
Yeah, there's a possibility that on the tone I might just sit there and spin for like a second before I start moving, so just be aware. You can pass me if it happens, but just be aware I might have a slow accel off a dig.
Thanks, JJ. Drivers ready.
Kodak.
We'll go racing at the sound of the tone in less than 5.
Oh, it worked.
Oh, mine
Quick
went
start.
slow. I think my
See if you
sensor
guys are
wire
paying
is
attention
moving.
or not. Nice and clean. Those open wheel cars, oh, he puts them into the barrier.
All right, I got to defend against Kodak and the Honeybee. Prosser's going to be pushing me. He said he's sticky.
Prosser says I just lost traction a little bit. He's in hot pursuit. JK makes one little fumble though, and JK gets away. Mr. Cleary's upset about that bump and he's chasing him down now. And Drew in hot pursuit. Ball by Dan. Prosser's closing the distance on that sweeper there. He's just got to keep it clean, and he's going to be right there with JK. He's got the speed.
Thank you.
Drew's going to let him through. Nice blue flag.
Woo, you got the straightaway speed too.
Prosser almost took him on the inside.
I got to do my best to block him.
JK breathing down his neck.
Oh, he got stuck on the boards.
Self-marshal, but that's going to pull back a few corners now. And Chris Cleary hot on his tail.
Prosser with the 29 lap 505.9 pace. With the 28 lap 507.1
Oh
pace.
no.
Andrew with the 24 lap
Sounded like a spurt for a second.
505 pace. Den with the 23 lap
One little tap of the wall there, and Cleary gets a little bit closer. And they go head down the straight now for number 2 spot overall. JK says, keep battling it out, let me just run my own race. I keep breaking shit, I just want to finish.
Whoa! Just hold your line.
That's okay, he tried. Whoa, no! Watch the inside, watch the inside!
Inside.
Thank you.
Was that the tire or the diff? Oh my God.
Body. My body rubbing. Oh, sorry.
Woo! That was close. Prosser trying to close the gap again now. Half a corner away. Dan does a good job staying out of the way.
Oh, where'd you come from?
These guys fight it out. And he's closing it in again within the corner.
After 3 minutes, the top driver.
Still lots of time left. With a little less than 2 minutes to go.
5 pace. Prosser with the 29 lap 503.2 pace. Chris,
Oh, there it is.
9.8 pace.
And that's going to allow Prosser.
He's got the pace too. He's gonna have to.
It's not over. Still a minute 40 to go.
4.5 pace. Now,
It's all right.
Anything can happen.
pace.
Pick it up, pick it up.
Oh no, take that car off. Take that car off. JK gets hung up a little bit. He's a straightaway away.
Ah,
Chris now moving into that 3 spot. And it's not over for him. He's still just a few seconds behind JK. They're all on the same lap right now. Less than a minute to go. JK needs Prosser to make a mistake. Because he's not slowing down. All that mini-Z racing is working.
After 4 minutes 30 seconds, the top drivers are
Less than 30 to go.
30 lap 510.1 pace. John K with the 29 lap 501.4 pace. Chris with the 29 lap 505.2 pace. Dan with the 22 lap 503.7 pace. Andrew with the 17 lap 325.9 pace. And now with the 0 lap 12
This is
pace.
going to do it right here.
John K.
Oh.
I can see it happening. Steve is going to hold on to it to take
Right
it
on.
down.
Good race.
Congrats, man! Congrats. Whatever you did to make it faster, absolutely worked. I couldn't.
Oh,
I
used,
couldn't touch your pace.
Tire track.
you found the proper sauce.
Yeah.
Couldn't catch you guys, but you weren't pulling away.
All right, that's a second. Well, that's a little heartbreaking. You go TQ all day, no one can touch your pace, and then someone figures it out right in the end, and he legit beat me in many ways. So anyway, yeah. All right, yeah. First of the start of a new season. That was really fun. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, you want to talk to me, but comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.